3.3, the concept and formation of the nation state in the Malaysian context, how we want to form a nation state in the Malaysian context. So when we see in the history, when Malaysia declared independence in August 31, 1957, what emerged was a state, not a nation. Uh, when Malaysia was formed on September 16, 1963, what existed was the state of Malaysia. Okay, this is very different from the independence. Okay, and when 1963 we already formed the state of Malaysia. Yeah, not the Malaysian nation. Okay, that is with different dates between the Independence Day and also the State Day. And then the structure of a nation state system requires the promotion of self-interest only, without involving the interest of others. For liberal and socialist ideologies, the nation state and an effort to forward civic obedience, whereas conservative and national ideology is based on ethnic or chronic unity. Then this is one state nation. So we have a three type of racial nation. Uh, One state, one nations. We have a nation without state, and also we have a state without nation. Okay, such as you can see the example there. In the slide given, we have a example like Japan. Okay, so Japan, they use the same language. Okay, for the one nations. Also, same goes with the German nation also. Okay, so they have one language, one races, and one nations. And then we go to the nation without states. This is, as you can see, like Patani. Okay, in Thailand, yeah, there are a few races that have been built there. Okay, even though they uh, stay in Thailand, but actually they have their own language. Okay, that's what we call a nation without states. Same goes with the Kurdistan. So Kurdistan is located at the Iraq, and so Kurdistan also have some their own races, but actually they were owned by Iraq. So this is what we call a nation without states. And then also we have a state without nation also, right? And then this nation state begins with an original and group that forms identities and empires. But however, migration, capitalism, and colonization also since the 16th century have altered the geopolitical have changed the geopolitical in our countries through treaties and conquests. In this context, sultan or nation states emerge, West nation states, and also settler nation states. So this is the effects towards the formation of a nation states. There are six elements that we want to implement the formation of the nation state. We have a national education system. We have an empowering national schools. We have instilling positive values, introducing nation building studies, implementing patriotic activities, and also nurturing and unity. Okay, this is citizenship. What's the meaning of citizenship? So this is refers to a status. Okay, such as we have an passport. Okay, so that's proof that we have a citizenship. This is a proof that we have a citizenship of the country. Okay, and then this is the Malaysian nation state declarations. Okay, we have a political hegemony, constitutions, minority integrations, and also formation of Malaysia. Okay, this is as you can see, we had the indigenous nation state here, Southern nation state, indigenous nation state, and also indigenous nation state. Right, and then we got the last one, diversity of ideas on the dream nation and debates. Okay, so this is a concept of creation that introduced by Shamsul Amri Baharudin. As you can see, we have four nation formation Malaysia, the concept of Malay-led plural society, post-independence, and also concept of Malaysia. Okay, then concept of nation building. This is a nation state hegemony. Hegemony means influence by the politic. Okay, And then the word ethos has been ethos is a characteristic of the, and then this one is a national ethos that have been introduced by Tun Dr. Mahathir. Okay, and then we have ethos and symbolism of nation. So in Malaysia, we have some characteristic, as you can see, to be defined as a Malaysian country. Okay, so the national and nationality are difficult to measure and can only be seen through their form and strength in the country. And the cultural heritage. Every nation has a long cultural heritage such as flag, language, clothing, food, music, dance, architecture, tombstones, royal families, heroes, school books, and etc. Okay, so this is the geopolitics of the nation and political changes. Okay, so there are few party that have been built, that have been made in our country. There are a few types of party. So this is give some conclusion. We have a plural civilization, a combination or mixture of various forms of civilization that are result into Malaysian civilization. We also have a country, and this country being based by population, territory, government, sovereignty, and then a nation, nation states, island nation state, and national ethos.